The organizational happiness workshop covered a few different things. We first talked about the importance of actually being able to articulate the business case for happiness. There are many other reasons why it's very important for organizations to invest in happiness, but the business case is one that you should have clarity on, because otherwise it's very hard for an organization to move forward. So once we looked at the different drivers of the business case, we then went in to look at a framework for happiness, because happiness is a complex idea. We actually referenced Dr. Seligman's research and the framework PERMA to be able to frame a happiness program for an organization. We then looked at a tool that allows an organization to actually get feedback on how happy their employees are. And lastly, we had a chance for individuals in the workshop to look at the tool and see how they might be able to use it for their particular context, or what changes they might be able to make for it to really fit. By the way, the tool that we've developed, the Motivational Landscape, is available via a website. It scales to mobile devices. So our goal is to make it easy for anyone who really believes that happiness is essential in organizations to actually be able to implement an agenda that's research-based, but at the end that's very practical, usable, and easy, and I would say also very inexpensive to implement and get real-time feedback on how happy and engaged the people they work with are.